Jeff here, a real quick video with some tomato garnishes for you using a tomato knife. How cool is that? Yeah, another one of these exclusives. I helped the company design these knives. They're really cool and now they're gone. Nothing good lasts forever. Yeah, super high quality. Okay, so a couple of quick tomato garnishes for you. Here we go. 3 different types of tomatoes. First we're going to do just a sliced. By the way, these are all very ripe, very soft tomatoes here. So for sliced tomato, you know what to do. But the trick is, use your finger as a guide, like this. Keep it together. Okay? It's not always easy to do in this strange times we're having there. Yeah, keep it together. That's a beautiful garnish. I like that. Chef would give you an A if you could do that. Here's another garnish for you. This one's just going to be kind of like a flower, I guess. Something a little different. I'm just going to do like a little split like that. It's kind of cool. Okay, that's number 2 right there. And number 3, let's actually do a flower with this one here. So first you want to have a stable base like that. And you want to cut downward motion like this. Save these other pieces for something else. There we go. Kind of looks a little bit like a flower. If you want to open it up a little bit, you can too, like this. Okay. I like when the flower opens. Okay. There we go. 3 little tomato garnishes, all pretty simple. All look nice. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. I think I would like the yellow piece in the red one right there too. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be good. Give you a little close-up here. Wow. Another first. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Video I will show you how to maintain cutting boards. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions, 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. Contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American Black Walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. Here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see. You get what you pay for. I don't use these. Yeah, and that's what you get when you use a quality knife. Look at that. Wow. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, the sponsor's got an exclusive on this awesome new knife made in Japan. Butcher blocks, yeah, butcher blocks made in America. Free shipping. Wow, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good.